Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great way to make your weekend chores a lot easier, especially when it comes to yard maintenance. And that is because it's a robotic lawnmower. This thing is pretty cool. It's sent over by a company called LawnMaster. Naturally, it's going to come with a quick start guide and a user manual. We're covering a lot of the features right here in the video. This particular model is the R1600 version, and it does a lot of stuff. So let's go over everything you are going to get. So first off, you are going to get these two coils here. These are essentially magnets here. This is going to set up a virtual fence, if you will. You're going to get about 65 feet of this. You can easily cut them with any garden shears or anything like that. This does a very good job at noticing the difference between patio edge. So as long as your edge is very, very defined, you probably won't need these. But if you have areas like basically just like where your grass goes straight into mulch, it may be a good idea to go ahead and put these and bury these right with the mulch, and just very, very useful. Now, as far as setting these down, they come with a huge bag of stakes here. You can also use the stakes to go ahead and put down the base station. So this has two little options. You can just manually take it, drop it, and hit go and let it do everything, and then pick it up and then charge it up. It does come with a battery here that just slides in the back. It's a 24-volt battery, pretty standard, and very easy to charge up. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and then set up the base station somewhere in your yard. Very easy to put together. You're going to notice it has all these little holes here. That's where you're going to be able to stake it. And it's going to know how to dock itself to automatically charge here at the top. It's got these little kind of runway strips, and then everything can be basically set up here on the top. You're going to have your Wi-Fi button to go ahead and connect it via the app, which is going to let you do a lot of customized settings. Go ahead and set up for like spot mowing or mowing your whole yard, set up a schedule, all that fun stuff. And then there's a little cable right here on the back side that's going to allow you to hook it up to the transformer. So you can get plenty of like cable feet here. So if you're not near an outlet, you can easily go ahead and get this to an outlet that you need. Everything's got the little watertight connections. It's all kind of low voltage here. And then you have the transformer itself, which you can also mount on a wall or a fence, so that way it's off the ground. And then you can just basically leave this outside all set up to where, you know, essentially it's just a setup and forget it kind of situation. And then in addition to this, one other last thing, you're gonna get this extra little bag of blades here. So if you do ever need to change out the blades, you can do that as well. So let's go over the lawnmower itself. So right off the bat, this is what it looks like. It's a really compact guy here. On the back side, this is where the battery slides in. There's a little slot at the top. Just go ahead and slide it in, and then go ahead and close the door. As far as carrying it, very easy. It's got a nice little handle right here on the top. Now, this thing is controlled via multiple things. It's got radar, and then it's also got cameras built into it. So you're gonna notice on either end, it's got your little radar, and then it's got a camera built into the front. So the sensors can go ahead and avoid objects. So if you have a soccer ball or you're in the yard, it's gonna go around you, which is a nice little element of it. It's also what's allowing it to see those defined edges, so that way it knows not to go past that line. Now, when it does go along, it's going to, basically, it's not gonna cut it right up against that defined edge, so you still do need a weed whacker, and that's just kind of for the safety part of it, but it is gonna get nice and close, so you don't have to like do another mowing. Just a quick weed whack along the line, and you're gonna be good to go. Now, in case of any emergency, there's a big red stop button. If you hit that with your foot or your hand or something, it's gonna instantly turn off. So it's just another nice feature when utilizing this. Then you're gonna have this turn dial. This turn dial is gonna let you adjust the height that it's actually cutting the grass. So it's gonna go 1.2 inches, 1.6, 2.0, 2.4, 2.8, and 3.1 inches. And like I said, that's just adjusting the blades here on the bottom. And you will notice how it works is you've got like this little spinning part. It's gonna go really fast, and then you got these 3 little razor blades attached to it, all made out of stainless steel that spin around. And so this is gonna cut about a 7-inch width. And then it's gonna just go around your yard and make sure everything's nice and cut. And then you got the little guide wheel at the top, and then you got these 2 big thick rubber wheels here on the bottom that is gonna keep this thing from getting stuck as it's going and traversing your yard if you're doing little hills and all that kind of fun stuff. So works very, very well. Now, as far as yard coverage, this is designed for yards up to 1,600 square feet, and it's going to take about 3 hours for that battery before it needs to be recharged. So depending on how big your yard is, it's meant for basically smaller size yards like what I have behind me because of my pool. It's not meant for these massive acreage yards just because of the amount of time it would take. It's more of a easier, smaller size yard, something that it can just go and do for you. As far as noise, because it's not gas powered or anything like that, it's powered by battery, the noise is very, very low. So if you are in the backyard enjoying yourself, you're just gonna hear a little bit of it. It's not very, very loud at all. It's not going to be obnoxious and very noisy. Now, as far as the wheels, it can handle a 35% max slope or about 9 degrees as far as a hill area. As far as the app control, it's just called the LawnMaster OcuMow app. Like I said, that's going to be able to set up all the schedule. If you don't want to use the app, you don't have to. There is a little screen here with arrows, home button, power, little wheel to go ahead and select the various modes. I find it a lot easier to utilize the app. It's just whatever you prefer. This also does have an anti-theft mechanism built into it if you have that set up. So if somebody basically stops it, picks it up, it's going to notify you that it's basically been moved without your permission, essentially, is how that is working. But overall, like I said, it is a great little way to make yard work a lot easier. Just go ahead and get your backyard mowed automatically by a robot instead of by you. Gain some time back on your weekends. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great little robotic lawnmower, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.